beautiful people. Is there one and only Lady J? If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. Get people, I beg. Now about is me again, I beg my darling people. Make una try more now. Forgive me, you understand? Because I see so many people just the verse for her. I see the video way some of them do, the way they really like they angry with her. Wanna take her easy, you understand? I really feel pity for her, you understand? Because I see some people they say if she never meme, they no go rest. Some say if she never go, they no go rest, like seriously, I beg. Wetin we go come gain if we hear say something happen to her tomorrow? Now you go fair cry, it go still pain you because after all, you know go carry her things, go carry her property if she pay me, you understand? So I don't know why we be say we the adults now we they always dey eat ourselves, you understand me? This lady come out say na in and ashy, in and this, in and that, you understand? With time she go still come realize say this way she dey do not be a good thing, she go still stop. I believe say e dey favour her na make she dey do am, you understand? Me no go fit be like you no go fit be like me. We go only use mouth say advice, but na wetin dey her mind na she go do. Na grown up woman, I no fit sit down now dey advise a matured woman wey don grow like that. Na wetin she just like na she dey do. So maybe with time she go still stop, you understand? Beg make we no dey block each other China again. When she talk yesterday, I really feel pity for her. I really feel pity for her because she talk, dey beg, say make dem no block her China again. She na single mother, she get pikin to take care of, you understand? She get pikin to take care of, and she dey still dey support people, dey help people, dey promote their China, dey do this, I beg, make we stop the hate, make we stop to the do all those things, go dey report people. E no good, e no good at all, e no good. Make we stop am, abeg. Because the way this lady now dey feel now, make we not go hear something happen to her tomorrow. Now we go first still cry, now we go first cry, you understand? I just feel pity for her yesterday when she talk, you understand me? My darling people, abeg, may we forgive her. Mona forgive her. Everybody they made mistake for this world. If she say na that one, then they give her happiness. Now what did she like to do? Then what will be we now? We go coffee say one can stop her. We not go fit stop her. Now match where you get, now you go to talk. You understand? So I just feel pity for her yesterday. Even I say e get the part where she for talk yesterday, where she the talk I tell they promote people China. I want to see whether now this one. L'ancien.
You want make people hate me. You lie. I carry corridor. Corridor my to. Carry. You hear me? Do your thing, I do my own. I don't reach where you dey. Una dey send me they go. Una send a pages, una carry am. Send a pages, una hard can. Una even come to me. I be a shower with the read book. You see my email to you. You dey here, they look me or something. You come, you say make I use my Facebook to register. Now say see this one. Since 2009, they send people password. You go create article. You create link. You send them. My boo when I born for. Now make take a Facebook password. I create link. Go give a breaking news from BBC. As you click and put the Facebook, I take it the password. You dey mad, I just shower with the red book. I give my hand to do advert on your page. And then me go be queen of advert. People when they give me advert.
When I hear now say, he say if you distress her, you distress the pikin too. You understand? So I beg, we will stop the hate. We will stop the hate. This lady, now I will continue to the talk. She go stop with time. She go stop. You understand? But not be the way we take they do am. So the way we take they go about am, they block her page, they go they report. No, we not report her again. I see so many people they reinvest for her. I see video where somebody do the way the person they talk. Ah, no, 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 no. I beg. Eh? This woman say yes. Say at the beginning be this one, and the beginning of her downfall. They go continue to report her until she change. I was like, we will take am easy now. Now why do sister oh? Ovie don't know. We will take am easy, abeg. We will forgive her. She go stop with time. Here no. Not what they use pepper body they do. Eh? What if they use pepper body? They cry when she cry. That they not pay una. She cry. She cry because she don't build that page. She don't monetize for the page. A page where if you monetize, you know the painful way they there. When my own happen that day, when people they write for comments, they tell Esther say block her China, block her. She say no. He say no go fit block her. He say she don't monetize. Then to monetize no easy. You know go fit block her. Now what did she talk with that one? So I respect that woman for that word which she talk alone. You understand? A page where they for monetize, you can't block them. You get a B. So may we stop the hate, abeg. May we not dey block each other China again. No good, eh? E no good at all. E no good. I really feel pity for her. So may we just stop this thing what we dey do. So Emma, because this thing now what they do now, this is na just normal something. Later now everybody go begin dey block each other China. Now that one not like. Now that one I will call the happy for. If that kind of thing comes start to the happen, now will come reason now. So we will stop. We will stop to the do to the do bad thing to each other. Eh? You say for the stress our daughter too. And the truth. Because that people body now she will come to use them for your daughter. I beg, we will stop them. We will stop them. If she says she bring up makeups, she na that, she go stop her with time by herself. You understand? By herself, she go say stop her. But if we say we can't use force, they say she must stop her. Now that one I problem dey. Nobody, not be you born her. You go only just use mouth to talk. Now what she likes to do, so we just leave her. Maybe she continue to do what she do. One day, she go by herself, say realize, say, okay, I need to. If she don't make money out of it, she will stop. And so it be. And so the life just be, my darling people. So I beg you, know we love ourselves, love your Edo sister, love even though you do not be Edo, love everybody. You understand, so that God will still love you. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Until I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell so that you will get notified anytime I upload any video. You will be the first person to watch. Thank you. Bye.